Okay, this worksheet should be up on the table near labs 8 and 9. Finding density of everyday objects. You're going to answer the questions. I have the items you need up there, a small car, a paper clip. You're going to answer the questions about volume and about density. And then you're going to measure the volume and density of some items. Now you'll notice on this worksheet they've had items filled in, but on yours they're not filled in, and there is a bin of different items that you can measure the density on. You may choose the items you want to measure the density on. You must choose 5, and then rank them from least dense to most dense when you finish. So you're going to get the mass, the volume, and then calculate the density. Then answer your final questions, and you can hand in that when you're finished. That should give you more practice on measuring density on some objects of your choice. So that's how you finish up that one. And that one gets handed into the bin over on above the supplies.